It's a modernized version of the German-made Leopard 2A6 main battle tank. The Leopard 2A7 features new armor, improved sensor suite, a crew compartment cooling system, and a new weapon engagement system. On February 2023, Norway ordered 54 tanks, designated Leopard 2A7 NO for over $1.9 billion, with the option to purchase 18 more units. The tanks are scheduled for delivery from 2026 to 2028. It has a top speed of 70 km per hour with a maximum range of 450 km. The Leopard 2A7 armament includes 120mm smoothbore gun, two 7.62mm machine gun, and 8 76mm smoke grenade dischargers. The MH-60R Seahawk is a multi-mission maritime helicopter, primarily designed for anti-submarine warfare and anti-surface warfare missions. It features a highly sophisticated avionics suite and is armed with Hellfire air-to-surface missiles and Mark 54 anti-submarine torpedoes. Norway will procure a total of 6 MH-60R helicopters, with deliveries expected between 2025 and 2027. The contract is expected to be signed in the summer of 2023 and is estimated to be worth around $1.1 billion. The Seahawk will replace the NH-90 and will be used for anti-submarine warfare and Coast Guard missions. The Type 212CD is an improved version of the Type 212A submarine that will replace the Ula-class submarines of the Norwegian Navy. This future submarine will feature modern combat systems, huge firepower, and superior stealth technology. ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems will build 4 submarines for the Norwegian Navy with a contract signed on July 20, 2021. Construction of the new submarines will start in 2023 and delivery is planned as early as 2029. The surface displacement of the submarine will be 2,500 tons and will cost more than €1 billion per vessel. The submarines will be armed with a naval strike missile, anti-ship or land attack cruise missiles, and heavyweight torpedoes. The GBU-53B Stormbreaker, originally known as the Small Diameter Bomb 2, is an air-launched precision-guided glide bomb. It weighs around 250 pounds and has a range of around 110 km against stationary and 72 km against moving targets. This smart weapon can hit targets in some of the worst weather conditions. The Norwegian Ministry of Defense has decided to buy Stormbreaker for its F-35 fleet from the US Air Force. Norway and Germany will jointly develop a future naval strike missile, with delivery planned for 2035. In terms of performance, it will be superior to the naval strike missile. The future NSM will be designed to counter various emerging threats and have greater survivability against adversary air defense systems. The Joint Strike Missile is a 5th generation cruise missile under development by Raytheon and Kongsberg Defence and Aerospace. It can engage heavily defended sea and land-based targets. Norwegian Air Force ordered JSM for its F-35 in October 2021. The F-35 will carry 2 of these in its internal weapons bay and 4 additional JSM missiles externally. It has a range of between 185 and 555 km depending on profile. The AIM-120D is an upgraded version of the AMRAAM missiles that can be used against the targets in the air, including aircraft, cruise missiles and drones. In November 2022, Norway ordered 205 AIM-120D and 60 AIM-120D3 missiles for an estimated cost of $497.87 million. They purchased the missiles from the US officials rather than the manufacturer. It has a greater range and better guidance, resulting in a higher kill probability. Under the project, the Norwegian Navy plans to acquire new vessels for its Coastal Ranger Commando. It is currently in the preliminary phase and will replace the CB-90 class vessels. The vessel will have a top speed of 45 knots and stay at sea for up to a week. Additionally, the Navy wants it to have a good maneuverability and the ability to stop and accelerate quickly. Deliveries are planned between 2026 and 2028. Piron is a deeply modernized version of the Grom man-portable air defense system, designed and manufactured by the Polish company Mesko. Norway signed a $36 million contract with Mesko for an undisclosed number of Piron on November 2022. The first system is expected to be delivered in 2023. It is designed to intercept and destroy low-flying aircraft, helicopters, unmanned aerial vehicles, and winged rockets. Piron can hit a flying target at a distance of 400 meter to 6.5 km and from an altitude of 10 meter to 4 km. Norway is planning to procure a new sniper rifle that is capable of firing 12.7mm caliber cartridges. Norwegian forces currently operates 12.7mm Barrett M82. Cost estimates to be around 200 to 300 million Norwegian krone for the acquisition. An active protection system is a system designed to actively prevent anti-tank missiles or projectiles from destroying a vehicle. Under the latest future acquisition plan, Norway would procure active protection systems for its CV-90. The Iron Fist active protection system might be the potential choice, as it has been tested on CV-90 vehicles. Norway is looking for a new mine clearing system that will replace the existing Hydrema mine clearing vehicle in the Norwegian army. It will be used to clear a path for tanks, vehicles and soldiers through minefields and other obstacles. The Norwegian Defense Material Agencies intends to procure VTOL UAVs for the Norwegian military that would be used for ISR and targeting missions. These drones can take off and land vertically like a helicopter and do not require a long runway. The NDMA plans to award a contract in August 2026, although it is unclear how many UAVs Norway will purchase. The TPY-4, formerly known as the TPY-X, is a next-generation ground-based air surveillance radar with a maximum detection range of 1000 km. It is capable of tracking satellites, detecting low-profile unmanned aerial systems, and conducting ballistic missile search and tracking. The Lockheed Martin will supply 8 TPY-4 radar systems to Norway, with an option for 3 additional radars. The first radar will be installed in Geirihaugen, Norway by the end of 2025. Delivery of the radar is expected to be completed by 2030.